this is John Naward. I'm here in Lucena City and it is their Pasayahan Festival.
We have a party.
I think, yeah, they have a street party. Look at this shadow on this very nice street installation here, created by this very colorful installation, and it's making a very nice effect on the street. I am in one of the main streets of Lucena City, and I'm at the lobby of Star Garden Tower Hotel, a nice little hotel, and they have great coffee, espresso coffee in their bar. Their espresso is really, really good here. I'm on the Jeep to City Hall, taking the Grand Terminal route. The fare to City Hall is 11 pesos from where we came from at Quezon Avenue, that was downtown Lucena. We are at the Lucena City Government Center, inside the Government Center of Lucena, and about to get into the elevator. The courtrooms of Lucena, they only have 2 branches, MPCC branches 1 and 2. And this is the office of the city prosecutor. We are looking for the regional trial court office, however, it's not in this building, so we have to go back again to Bayan, or the city center. This is the regional trial court of Lucena City. I'm riding a tricycle here in Lucena.
Oh,
Going to buy something to eat here.
No, mini stop, I don't buy it.
St. Jude Church here at Barangay Kota in Lucena. And this is the neighborhood. We are here in the south of Lucena. We are exploring Barangay Kota. Whatever we're doing here, it's a secret. Sige na. I'm with my friend, my new friend. NFF daw kami. Now BFF. My new beshi, Berna. And we just met up. She works in court. Is it Bernadette? French.
Actually, it's Bernadette. T-I-T-H. So it's
okay. It's a variation of Bernadette. So in French, it's Bernadette. So yeah, we're right. So we are.
You're near SM. No,
what?
I don't know.
What's that airplane doing there?
I don't know.
So this is a university campus.
Yes, this is a university. It is a big campus. This is the
Wow.
HRM building.
HRM building.
Yes.
Wow.
And then
so parang UP na.
That's that gymnasium.
Oh wow, in Verga University. So this in Verga University, the biggest university here in Lucena, and I'm right here enjoying the beautiful sunset and the silhouette view of Mount Banahaw. Lucena City by night. This is Bubbles Crispy Pata, home of the most famous and yummiest crispy pata here in Lucena. Welcome, welcome. Crispy pata, the specialty of the house, and special sauce. And this fish sinigang. Wow. Sinigang na tangige. Thank you to my host for tonight. And wow, the place is really full, really busy. It's an old house and converted into a restaurant. Edovihes Coffee Bar and Restaurant. Ewan.
Salamat po.
This is morning in Lucena City, 6 o'clock, and showing you the 360-degree view of the place. I'm here at SM Lucena. I'm saying goodbye now, Lucena City, leaving by bus. Our bus here leaves at this time, and in about 2 hours we'll be in Buendia. This is John Naward here in Lucena City, and see you soon in our next video. Bye for now.